this video of His Holiness with this kid kissing him and telling him to suck his tongue. And normally when we come across something like this, we ignore it because we know His Holiness and there's many of stuff like this we've seen of His Holiness, his playful behavior. But this time when our friends started questioning us, when they were like, oh, can you explain this? And the world is reacting in such an outrageous, shocking manner, we were like, okay, we have to put something out. And we were like, of course, the world is very easily ready to judge. Like they see something like this and they go like, oh, this is unacceptable. This is shocking. Imagine if one of us was doing it that way. So we understand where the world is coming from, but we also want to explain you where His Holiness is coming from. It's actually a little hard to imagine because he's like the purest being there is. But let's see, we can understand it, okay? And that's why we're trying to make this video.
It was out in the open.
Right. Like people have to understand that this video is out in the open. He's not doing it in his private bedroom. He's not pushing everyone out, like give me alone time with this kid. He's out in the open with cameras watching. This is live everywhere. Right? So if you're trying to hide something, if you have something wrong in your mind, you hide. You steal in secret. You don't steal like, okay, I'm going to steal because it's acceptable.